So today is the 4th of May 2022. We have Malmin Kauppatie, Malmshannesväg, 4th tickets here. And Malmi, close to Boxpakko here in Helsinki, in Finland. We passed these 8 versions of season rooms. It was built by Otis GeN2 MRL with 7 floors. So this is the best one here so far. Yeah, probably the best one in the building.
Yeah.
It was finished in 2001 actually. It turned 20 years old last year. 2021. But also the staircase C, it was early 2001. But the rest, maybe A is also 2001.
Yeah.
But the rest are from late 2000. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. Still, it's not the best one because it's 2001.
Yeah.
Those from late 2000 are better, even better.
Yeah.
The serial number is P1 and E2920. But after 2001, this is maybe the best one.
Paikkivaisi, meidän tenspaikka on.
Interesting sounds here.
Yeah.
And you can close the door. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching. And I hope we will get to the last one as soon as possible. Stay safe. That will be the last one to be filmed here.
That's